Good morning, party people. Man, this New York thing, I'm enjoying this. They got a lot of Volvos. Having a blast. Love it around here. Anyway, I went and picked up my coffee. Man, having a hard time with this less sugar my coffee thing. I thought about getting a latte this morning. And But I gave it another shot, and I was actually okay with it today. So today's kind of the first day of me being okay with this less sugar in the coffee thing. I wanted to let you guys know that I got a buddy. You guys may have seen him in a video, heard me talking about him. His name is Andy Pearson, rather. He used to be on the news in the Pittsburgh area, maybe in the Little Rock, Arkansas area as well. Anyway, he has taken up Uber a few years ago as a supplement to his income, and he now delivers cars all over the country. So I had him pick up a car for a friend, deliver it from Albuquerque to Pittsburgh, and as he's going all over the country doing that. So if you got a car that you would like to have transported from one place to another, and you'd rather have it driven than drug, let me know. I'll get you connected with Andy and get that thing moved for you. Other than that, I got a couple people to see today. New Jersey, New York, Connecticut. So I'm going to dash around a little bit today. Tomorrow I will be down in the Brooklyn area helping probably do a clutch on a P1800. Saturday, a little bit of stuff scheduled, not much. Sunday, make sure that P1800 is good. Maybe make a couple other stops. Monday, probably heading back to Pennsylvania. So if you need to touch base with me to make sure you got the parts you need, please do so. Everything's going relatively well. After I leave Pennsylvania, I'll be in Maryland. After I leave Maryland, Virginia, touch base in North Carolina, then go to the Georgia area, and then beat feet back home. So if you need to contact me, call or text. Man, I'm so busy during the day, I really don't have time to get my text messages as quick as I'd like to. So if I don't respond, hang in there. I'll respond as soon as I can, usually late that night or the next morning, and help you as best I can. So had a great time yesterday. Visited George again. He gave me a little treat I wasn't expecting. Then I went over to help Brandon with his 850. We replaced the dash in that thing. We were looking for the keys for that car. Man, well, they were at least a half hour. When I got there, one of them handed me the keys. I threw them in my pocket. Then we all looking for the keys for a half hour. Stressful. Man, if you hand me something, remember that you handed it to me, because I forget. But we got it all worked out. Turned out to be a nice day. Had some good soul food in this little spot, Harlem, and it was a good time. Anyway, I'm going to go. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Somebody asked me a question about deleting the oil cooler lines. I forgot to mention, if you delete those oil cooler lines, you probably have 1/2 quart less to add in the engine. Just put your oil up to the full line and you'll be good to go, man. I almost forgot. I need a S or V70 P80 passenger front door lock. If somebody has a passenger front door latch that they can ship me, sell me, I'd appreciate it. Just call or text me. I'll give you the shipping address. Trying to get this guy's car going so it quits draining his battery. It's leaving the light on when we close the door. You gotta slam that thing super hard to get the micro switch to cut the lights out. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day with this 96 850. I'm kind of under the parking area of the hotel. think I could probably get away with doing a little bit of tinkering here without them bothering me. So I'm gonna try to do the CV axle, the odometer gear, the heater core, and ABS module and ignition switch without anybody bothering me. I hope this is gonna be okay. Don't get evicted from the hotel. I'm gonna kick this off by pulling the hubcap, busting the CV axle bolt loose, busting the lug nuts loose, jacking it up, putting it on the jack stand, and going from there. Link in the comment section. The main problem with this axle is the hub ring is broken on it. I'll show you that when we get it off. I videoed it the other day, and hopefully I could get this out of here. I don't have a sledgehammer with me to pound this thing loose. Hopefully it's not rusted in the hub. Thank God the axle taps out with not much effort. I got the control arm loose there. Let me grab my carpenter's pry bar, pop this axle out. Hopefully the other one will pop right in. Do 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 do. Gotta do it with two hands. Oh man, the end of that's quite different. Hopefully that'll go in. We'll see. It was supposed to be for a manual. See if this puppy pops in. See the tone ring rusted away? That comes right off of there. I torqued that thing to 87 with my deal there. I put the socket up there, marked it, rolled it back one notch, and hit it with the impact till it lined back up. That's 60 degrees. We are done with this. Put the cap on, test drive it. Should be good to go. Ignition switch, isn't it? I'm gonna put all this stuff away so it don't look like I'm really doing anything out here. But I wanted to show you guys this ignition switch that I got from Advanced Auto Parts. And I'm starting to think there's only one real source of these ignition switches, people, and that's Volvo. So no matter where you get it from, it's gonna be a Volvo part, boy. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed. This car is having all kinds of electrical problems. Turn the lights on, they don't come on for 10-15 minutes. Put the car in reverse, the door unlocks, just all kind of stuff. Usually multiple electrical issues have something to do with the ignition switch shorting out. So I'm gonna replace the ignition switch. If that don't work, I'm gonna replace the headlight switch. I have a special screwdriver I bought from Napa Auto Parts. T15. This will go up there and get these screws in the collar of this 850. Most other screwdrivers won't reach it. I'm going to swap out the ignition switch real quick. A link is in the comment section. Got the switch in. Let's see if it starts. The door is locked for some reason. I don't know why. I hit the unlock. The headlights are on. I turned them on, they came right on. Driver light pin is on, so maybe that's good. The headlights are coming on. I don't see any lights in the dash. Let me see if I can see if those things are coming on. Yeah, they're coming on right with the switch. Off, on. So I think we got the electrical issues fixed, other than this weird security system thing that makes doors lock when you start the car. Let me put the collar back on it. Here we go, folks. 99 V70R, original wheels, the Alcantara interior. Man, Dan the man told me these things were rare. Every time I turn around, I see the other one's got IPD exhaust on there. He's got the dual exhaust.
She's got Coney's in the front.
Coney's.
Adjustables.
Coney adjustables. This thing is ready to rock and roll. I'm going to be looking for a new home soon.
And mint. It's interior is mint in that car.
What year is that one?
It's 05.
05. Red with premium interior. How many miles you say?
79,000.
79,000.
Yeah,
got that 6-speed in it.
So how clean that is.
Man, very clean.
You know when the Goldie,
wow.
Goldie ain't worn in that car.
Man, this thing is clean. Clean and ready to roll. New brakes, pads, rotors, clutch. This thing is ready to rock and roll. Guy said he's losing a lot of oil. My guess is PCV box down here, but it's hard to see that. I wonder if that hose is URO down there. Those things will get you. Let me get a flashlight, jack this thing up, get under it a little bit. Looking for a oil leak down here. And I think I see the PCV lower hose right here. I'm gonna try to zoom into this. Ah, come on. Yes. Man, I don't know if I can really see that good or not. Right behind this clamp. Let me see if I can see it better on this side. Nope, oil dipstick in the way. Right behind this clamp. Find my finger. I'm gonna try to touch this seal. See that thing? The thing is like bubble gum. I think that's the lower PCV box gasket, something. Horrible. It's got good vacuum on the PCV, but they use crappy parts, so it needs to be redone. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.